Oh, supplemental. So I was chatting with a friend last night, talking about the Sneaker Ninja Bot program, and he said, yeah, his son flips things. He arbitrages. So on the PS5 drop, he docked two of them. Didn't use my code yet, but I'm gonna have the kid, his son, use my code. But he made $1,000 profit in a day. $1,000 arbitraging PS5s. He bought them for 500 and something and sold them for over $1,000. He doubled his money. Doubled his money in one day, in less than a day. Amazing, amazing, amazing what you can do. So, this shopping botting, the sneaker botting thing is a real thing. I know at least two or three people who are making some real money doing it. Over $1,000 in a day. Um, you know, some people call it scalping. Other people call it arbitrage. I'm going to give it the arbitrage name because it's nicer. But $1,000 in a day. This is a business you can do from home. He is doing it from home. He's doing it from his parents' house. Hands, I'll give the guy credit. This is awesome. Um, if you would, if you want to try to do this sort of stuff, I recommend it. I might. It's not my thing. My wife used to do it. This guy does it. But when you run across people who you actually know who are making $1,000 a day flipping items that they buy online because they're limited edition and they've got the tools to do it, like my bot, it's definitely worth doing. It's worth trying. Throw 500-600 bucks out there, see what you can do. 300 on my bot for 6 months right now. He made $1,000 profit in one day. Absolutely amazing. My hat's off to him. It's just absolutely great. Doesn't need to go work a 9-to-5 job anywhere. He's just arbitraging products. Anyway, supplemental on my Sunday. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.